ano? Ng filter?
Filter.
Tingnan ba? Oh, that's filter, guys. Oh. So guys, apparently this is the cover and this is the actual filter. That's kind of cool. It's a lot different from the Hondas and the Toyotas. Wow, I'm enlightened. So I got the car October the 11th, and right now is the 23rd of December, so it's a little over 60 days after I got it. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure that the engine is nice and clean. As you can see, the oil is pretty black, even if it had like an oil change like 2 months ago. So on our way to a well-conditioned car. It's really black back there. So that's how the filter is supposed to look like. Brand spanking new. And we always use Bosch. Really awesome. And it also comes with an O-ring, guys. So removal of the old O-rings. So that's how it works. Carness goes right there, guys. Wow, oh my god. Gross, that's 60 days worth of oil. So guys, so yeah, that's the goal. This is like a little over 60 days worth of oil. Look how black it is. So, yeah, so the deal is I'm gonna be doing more frequent oil changes just to make sure the engine is clean so that the engine will run efficiently, effectively, and I'll enjoy this for a lot more, maybe even 100 plus more thousand miles. This is the third one, guys. So hanggang 4.5, no?
Yeah.
So the engine takes up about 4.5 liters of oil. So really nice, and I'm really excited to take it for a spin. Even get a car wash, right? Anyhow, that was a great experience. Oil change, I got to see how dirty the oil is. Something very key in maintaining your car, a simple oil change. So, and having a 26-year-old car, I think more frequent oil changes is a must. So, it's December 23, so I figured first week of March is the next due. Yes, 2.5 months, maybe end of Feb, who knows. Anyway, that's one of the things that I've been doing on the car
tuned by BMW tuning, serviced by Carness right here in Lipa City, and I'm feeding the gas that I'm putting in here to clean the engine is V-Power Racing by Shell. So yeah, it's a little on the expensive side, but maintenance wise I want this car to run efficient, really good, and great as a daily car. And guess what, I'm stuck here in traffic. Perfect. So yeah, it needs to run effectively, efficiently, so that, you know, we don't break the bank with unnecessary gas wastage. All right, anyway, till next time, cheers.